Hello, I'm DocsBlocks, and here today we have a special unboxing. This is what we've been waiting for since spring. This is Onewheel's Pint, Future Motion's new iteration of the Onewheel. Already, a lot of you know that this is the smaller version, shorter range compared to the XR. And so we're going to take a look and see what we've got here. Have our special unboxing knife, of course, like all unboxers have, right? Okay. And there it is. You can see the words pint. Oh. Okay. We'll keep the packaging if we ever need to ship it to ourselves. Tennessee or Washington, wherever we go. Okay. It's already lighter than the XR. You can tell by lifting it out of the box. We've got the bit of some drawings back here. The Onewheel, and I got, as far as the color, there was a sage for the first early buyers, but they ran out, sold out very rapidly, so life is about to get more awesome. You can see we have our XR over there, and here we go. There's our slate, or black, pint. Alright, let's get it out. So we've got our owner's manual on this side here. Well, it's stuck. Alright, let's see what it feels like. It's got the mag handle ready. Oh my. That is much lighter. Feels really solid though. Nice color. So we've got that here. Close. Pint. Feels really good. This handle is really nice. The wheel is rounder. Just the light here, front and back. Okay, we got some accessories for it, so I'll show you what we got for it as well. Put this aside. I'll bring the box right over here. We've got this here. So you can see right there. This came several days later. Didn't have time to open up the pint initially, so I decided just to do them together today, so that way we can protect the board as well when we take it out for its first spin. So we've got, come a little closer. Oh, okay. Ron Burgundy colored fender kit. So this is the red one. I'm going to open it up. That's going to go right here. I'm going to have to take this off, but that's eventually going to make its way right to the top there. We've got our sides here to protect it. Those are also Ron Burgundy colored. And then lastly, the bumper kit. This came part of the package. I believe I saved about $50 on the package, so there's that. Those right there, so you can see that. And so what I'll do is I'm going to put this together and I'll show the video of it all put together and we'll try it out later on. Alright, we are going to try the pint for the first time. It's an inaugural ride. Of course, safety first. And we're going to see how this app is working as well, because I've heard that it seems to disconnect pretty often. Okay, so I will stay over there. I'm going to show you the app. Okay, so coming up here. So this is the power button on the side. It's different from the. It is a rubber button instead of a metallic one. It seems to be more sealed. And as you can see here, it is connecting to our pint, which was 100% charged. I named it Giddy Up. Alright, here we go. And we've got the simple stop enabled because I want to try it out. Alright, so. Oh wow, it's definitely smaller. Oh yes. It is more maneuverable. I'm riding on a ball. Alright, and we're going to try the simple stop right now. Simple stop. There it is. Alright, there's the car. I'm using the Pacific mode right now. Oh, this feels so fun. Okay, just stay there. Go around here. Simple stop. Try it out. Try the simple stop. Just lean back. That's it. That's it. Okay. All right. So you're lifting it, and you seem to. It's much easier to carry than the other.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still pretty heavy.
All right. Go put it down. Get all the Ron Burgundy and rail guards. Okay. So tell me what you think first ride.
It's well, like you said, it feels it turns more, and it feels like a ball. It kind of feels like it's a little bit out of control.
So it feels like it's more maneuverable.
Yeah.
I could try a different setting.
And it's definitely smaller.
Okay. So do you like the way it feels?
Yeah.
You want to try a more stiff setting? Because there is another setting that I haven't heard any riders try yet. This is Pacific. The Pacific.
Okay.
That's Redwood.
What is Redwood like?
So we can look at the different settings. So we've got Redwood. So even the tallest tree start as a sapling into Redwood and get comfy. It's mellow profile and slower top speed at 12 miles an hour. You can see that there. Make it an easy going choice. We tried Pacific, which is designed for flow in every situation, loose and buttery. I definitely agree with that. Pacific combines high levels of carvability with the smooth power you need. And that has a maximal speed of 16. We have elevated, but we don't need that right now. Skyline. This is go full pocket rocket with Skyline. Responsive and punchy. Skyline offers the ultimate experience for maximum spreadability. So this sounds like that other setting with the XR, which is the high setting. Delirium, correct. All right, so we will try Skyline with Zeke and see what he thinks of it. Okay, it's activated.
Yeah, it does feel like Delirium.
Feels more like the XR.
Yeah, so this is actually
Go and try the simple stop. Okay, and I'm gonna give it a try with that setting. Okay, yeah, it's definitely a little bit. Feels more like the Delirium level. Hey, baby. Hey, it's a little girl. Yeah, this one feels pretty good too. Definitely different. And I'm gonna try the simple stop here. There you go.